Welcome to Compare to Win. The best water dispenser is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern home or office, offering unparalleled convenience and instant access to clean, refreshing water. Whether you're looking to stay hydrated throughout the day, reduce your reliance on single-use plastic bottles, or simply enjoy the ease of having chilled or hot water at your fingertips, a quality water dispenser can significantly enhance your daily routine and promote a healthier lifestyle. This review will guide you through the top options available, highlighting features that matter most for your needs. Number 5. Myvision Portable USB Charging Water Dispenser. Introducing the Myvision Water Dispenser, your convenient solution for clean drinking water. It's designed for easy use at home, in the office, or even while camping. This dispenser is crafted with your health in mind. It features a food-grade silicone hose and is made from BPA-free, odorless materials for safe and pure water. Enjoy weeks of use on a single charge thanks to its built-in 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery. It can dispense up to 6 5-gallon bottles of water before needing a recharge. Getting water is as simple as pressing a button. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for everyone, including children and the elderly, to operate. It efficiently pumps water, delivering 1.5 liters in just 60 seconds. The automatic stop feature prevents overflow, ensuring a mess-free experience. We stand by our product with a 2-year replacement service. If it stops working within 2 years, simply contact us for a hassle-free replacement. What we like? This dispenser offers convenient USB charging, ensuring power is always available. Its BPA-free materials guarantee safe drinking water for you and your family. If you're looking for a hassle-free, safe, and portable option for everyday use at home or in the office, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The entire process of installing it was super easy and took me about 3 minutes. It's very well built and came with a charge as soon as I opened it. It fit perfectly on my water tank. Number 4. CHIVENIDO 5-gallon water dispenser. Introducing the CHIVENIDO 5-gallon water dispenser, your convenient solution for clean drinking water. It's designed for easy use and portability, making hydration simple wherever you go. Crafted with your well-being in mind, this dispenser uses food-grade silicone, 304 stainless steel, and BPA-free plastic. Enjoy pure, odor-free water with a built-in seal to prevent leaks. No more struggling with bottle caps. This versatile pump comes with non-spill caps that fit both screw-top and crown-top bottles. It's compatible with a wide range of jug sizes, from 4.5L to 18.9L. Getting water is as easy as pressing a button. Simply attach it to your bottle and press the waterproof LED button. It automatically stops after 60 seconds, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Forget frequent charging. Its built-in 1,200 mAh battery provides long-lasting power on a single charge. The powerful 4W pump ensures quick and efficient water dispensing, delivering about 1.5 liters per minute. Take it anywhere. This dispenser is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for families, offices, picnics, and outdoor adventures. Enjoy plug-and-play convenience wherever you need it. What we like? With its high compatibility and included reusable caps, this dispenser fits a wide range of water jugs without needing to pry off lids. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for picnics, camping trips, or any outdoor adventure where easy access to water is essential. What people say. It fits securely on my 5-gallon jug, doesn't drip at all, and dispenses water smoothly with just one touch. The battery lasts for a long time. The device is incredibly easy to use, simply plug and play. The battery life is impressive and it lasts for a long time before needing to be recharged. Number 3. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Introducing the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and hello to convenience with its easy bottom-load design. Enjoy pure, clean water with our innovative UV self-cleaning feature. A simple button press keeps your cooler pristine with minimal effort. Quench your thirst with crisp cold, refreshing room temperature, or soothing hot water. It's perfect for any beverage, hot or cold. Navigate your water cooler with ease, even in low light, thanks to the built-in nightlight. It also ensures you never miss a drip. Dispense hot water with confidence. The child safety lock provides peace of mind, ensuring hot water is only poured when intended. This cooler simplifies your routine, offering convenience, cleanliness, and safety in one elegant package. Experience hydration redefined. What we like. This cooler simplifies water bottle changes with its convenient bottom-loading design and offers superior hygiene with its self-cleaning feature. If you desire the convenience of hot, cold, or cool water on demand and want to avoid the hassle of lifting heavy bottles, this is the ideal solution for your home or office. What people say. The Brio pump is quieter. The Brio room temp button is just that, room temp water. I measured each spout and the cold is 43 degrees Fahrenheit, room temp is 71 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot is 178 degrees Fahrenheit. Tall containers fit better in the Brio. The Brio has a full 1/3/4 more space under the spout than the Primo did, a full 10 inches from base to spout as well as a slightly wider perch than the Primo. Number 2. Electric water pump for 5-gallon bottle. Your health is our top priority. That's why this water dispenser is crafted with BPA-free plastic, a food-grade silicone hose, and a stainless steel outlet. You can enjoy clean water with complete peace of mind. Forget frequent charging. Its powerful rechargeable battery lasts for weeks, dispensing up to 5 5-gallon bottles on a single charge. Enjoy convenience that keeps up with your life. Get water quickly and easily. This pump delivers 1.5 liters of water every minute, significantly faster than standard pumps. Hydration is now more efficient than ever. Getting a drink is as simple as pressing a button. It automatically stops after 60 seconds, or you can hold the button for continuous flow. It's designed for ultimate ease of use. Designed to fit most standard water bottles, this dispenser offers great flexibility. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for home, office, camping, or travel. Enjoy pure, refreshing water wherever you go. This portable dispenser is your ideal companion for any setting, ensuring you always have access to clean hydration. What we like. Featuring a powerful pump for efficient water delivery and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, this dispenser ensures you get water quickly without frequent charging. Its universal fit for various bottle sizes makes it a flexible and reliable choice for travel, camping, or any situation where quick access to clean water is a priority. What people say. The water dispenser has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the countertop. It features a one-touch operation for easy dispensing of hot, cold, and ambient water. The built-in filter ensures clean and fresh-tasting water with every use. Number 1. MSXCSE Electric Water Bottle Pump. Your safety is our priority. This automatic water dispenser is crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring your drinking water remains pure and free from harmful substances. You can trust it for your family's health. Designed for convenience, it fits all standard 2 to 5-gallon water jugs. The included silicone pipes reach the bottom of larger bottles and adapt to smaller ones for seamless operation. Forget frequent charging. Its powerful rechargeable battery can dispense up to 8 5-gallon bottles on a single charge. Simply use any USB cable for easy recharging. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the pipe and place it on the bottle. With a single button press, you get your cup filled quickly and easily. Its portable and easy-to-use design makes it ideal for both home and outdoor adventures like camping. Enjoy convenient access to water wherever you are. MSXCSE brings you years of expertise in home supplies. We stand by our quality and are always here to assist with any questions you may have about our products. What we like. Prioritizing your safety with food-grade materials and offering a strong, long-lasting rechargeable battery, this dispenser provides peace of mind and convenience. If you value simplicity and safety in your daily water consumption, and need a reliable pump for home or outdoor use, this product is designed for you. What people say. Works great, charged fast, lasts a while on one charge. Easy for my children to use. Easy to clean. It's powerful and dispenses water fast but not too fast where it gets messy. It holds a charge well. It's incredibly practical and affordable. It works exceptionally well, and the battery lasts for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.